In recent weeks, intense natural phenomena have haunted the residents of the Gaza Strip, leaving an indelible mark on everyone's memory. It was on the night of October 22nd that an epic storm struck the region, surprising and terrifying those who witnessed its fury. The very strong storms triggered a series of weather events that turned the night into a frightening spectacle. Lightning lit up the sky like macabre fireworks, casting a disturbing light over the darkness. The intensity of the storm was such that its influence was felt throughout the area, leaving the inhabitants of Gaza astonished at the demonstration of nature's power. Many have described this phenomenon as the most impressive storm of all time. In some regions, it was not limited to causing material damage, but provided a unique celestial spectacle, with lightning and thunder echoing across the sky. Rescue teams tirelessly worked throughout the day to help those affected by the storm. Fortunately, there were no reports of deaths resulting from this cataclysmic event. The impact was immense, and many saw the weather conditions as a divine sign, while others speculated about possible side effects related to Israel and the Hamas group. It is up to each individual to form their own opinion about this speculation. What is certain is that nature, in all its grandeur and unpredictability, has left its unforgettable mark on the Gaza Strip. Share your perspective and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for following this exciting story. Leave your opinion in the comments